about you all the time now. I guess that you never feel the same now. And I'm always waiting for.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make my dream board.
So actually, what is dreamboard? Dreamboard is a visual representation of your goals, what you're going to achieve in your future, what your ambitions are, what you want in your life. Maybe it can be you are graduating from your college, you're buying a new house, anything you want to achieve in your life, you can put it on your dream board and start manifest it by looking at it. Every time you see what you want in your life, you will work towards it, and the more you believe you're going to achieve it, the more the chance of you getting it, and you are getting close to it every single day. There are a few ways you can make a dream board. You can make a dream board digitally and put it as your wallpaper on your laptop or your mobile phone, or you can paste all the things you want to achieve in your life in your wall. But the way I'm going to do it today is by hanging all the photos on my white grid hanger.
So without further ado, let's start making my dream board. To hang my photos in the grid hanger, I'm going to use these clips I bought a month ago, and the clips I'm going to use are these black ones, not these wooden. So the photos I'm going to use in my dream board are inside of this small package. This package is gifted to me by LOMO CARDZ. They do pretty amazing job in printing photos for affordable price in Sri Lanka. You can check it out their accounts. I'll leave all the link to their accounts below in my description box. So yeah, let's open the package now. So pretty. Wow, I'm really in love with the package. These are the photos I'm going to use in my dream board. You guys probably have seen some of these photos because I already used some of these in my bullet journal spreads. And yeah, look at this photo quality, it's shining. I love it. So don't forget to check out LOMO CARDZ. Their prices are pretty affordable. Look at it. So when I was checking out my photos, I just noticed that I didn't send them these 3 photos to print. So that means they sent me some freebies. Yeah, it's cute. Thank you so much, LOMO CARDZ. So let's start making my dream board. So now I'm going to categorize all the photos by their main color, so it will be easy for me to choose when I'm going to make the dream board. So yeah, let's do it. So now it's time to put all of these photos on my white grid hanger, and I'm going to take a little time and see in which way it looks good, and let's hope for the best. Yeah.
I think about you all the time now. I guess that you never feel the same. And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know, you don't want me sometimes. So I'ma run you out many girls, but you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah. You can know that you like me, yeah. But you're always ignoring them, yeah. But you're always ignoring them. I know
I'm done making my dream board. I love how it turned out, so now let's hang it on the wall. So now my dream board is perfectly done. I love how it looks. So are you ready to make your dream board now? Because I have a little surprise for you. I'm collaborating with LOMO CARDZ to give one of you guys a chance to win 12 photos from LOMO CARDZ and a white hanger from me. So now head over to my Instagram account and find that giveaway post and join to the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
And we double